All right, welcome, ladies and gents. My name is Abdullah Sandhu. I just hit the record button, so I thought let me start again. And it's been a little bit over 7 years. I am part of this industry of trading, and even after 7 years, I'm still a student. I'm still learning because trading is something which is a skill set. I remember 7 years ago having a chat with my mentor, and I asked him, "How long do you think it will take for me to learn?" He said, "I don't know." And then I asked him, why you don't know? Give me some kind of time frame, He said, look, it's a skill set. It can take a couple of years even, couple of months even, 6 months, 1 year, 2 year. But if you learned it once, it's going to stay here for the rest of your life. For the rest of the life, by sitting anywhere in the world, just by using the smartphone, you can utilize in this industry. So this was really exciting for me. I was open-minded. I came on board. And today I'm going to walk you through about your Akashx platform, how it can help you through the education to take your skill set to the next level. Ladies and gents, remember, we are not an investment company. They don't offer any kind of investment. This is an educational platform, okay? So I'm quickly going to share my screen and I'm going to go through a little bit introduction of the company as well. This is the parent company, which is called My Daily Choice. My Daily Choice, ladies and gents, is in the market from the last 10 years. They are dealing with different health and wellness products, travel industry, automotive, as well as trading as well now, trading education. So you can see already the products CBD and hemp, automotive, health and wellness, cosmetics, beauty and cosmetics, weight management, feminine hygiene, personal care, energy, travel, club they have, gut health, merchandise, forex and crypto. So today in particular, I'm going to share with you what do they have in the travel side. We have dream trips where people you can benefit from those holidays. They have the travel holiday packages. Once you have become the member, you get certain points which you can redeem on those holidays. Okay. By the way, I'm going one of their holidays in February 11 till 14 to Prague, Czech Republic, Prague, and a lot of other people are coming with me as well in this platform. And if you are open, if you are ready, do join us. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be a lot of fun over there. So Akashx, this is my main topic today here with you. What is really Akashx? Ladies and gents, Akashx is an educational platform. It is not an investment company. They don't trade for you. They don't handle your investments at all. They are just teaching you how from a very beginner all the way to advanced level through the recorded and live sessions, you can take your trading skills to the next level. It is that simple. Okay, so once you become the member, I believe you all are members already. Once you become the member, you log in your account. Once you log in, this is how your back office will look like. Okay, that will be exactly your back office of Akashx when you are when you are a member. Okay, for example, this is my name, and first thing you need to do, make your mind before you start any trade, before you start to look into that, make your mind today that understand trading you cannot learn in a day, in a week, or in a month. It will take some time. How long it will take, I don't know. But all I can tell you something, it's a skill set. If you learned it once, it's going to stay here for the rest of your life. That's why it is worthwhile. And the way they have designed this platform, you don't need to leave your job, if you're doing any traditional business, or if you have any other life commitments, you have your family life, your social life, and you can start to learn it from the comfort of your home on a part-time basis as a plan B. That's all you need to do. Okay. So do not leave your job, do not leave your business or anything like that. As I mentioned earlier, trading will take some time to learn. It's not going to happen today, tomorrow, next week, next month. It will take some time. Okay. So patience is one of the key parts which you need to have understand when it comes to trading. Okay. So if I look at this menu button under the home, we have getting started. In the getting started, we have, first of all, this video here, Akashx onboarding video, which I highly recommend every single one of you to watch this video, Akashx, because sometimes you will forget what I mentioned, what I said, but this video will always help you to understand, okay, what you need to do, step-by-step guide when you are coming on board with this platform. You will watch a video here, which will walk you through all the steps, all the things which you need to do from a very basic to all the way advanced level in the education. Okay. They have a tap to trade feature where you can connect one of your account here, whether MetaTrader 4, 5, or Trade Locker. You will fill up your information and you can connect it. How to connect it, that is also explained in this onboarding video. So all the information which a newbie is required, needed to learn trading, where to start, it is available in this onboarding video. Then we have Academy. This is the most important part, ladies and gents. This is something, education is going to build your foundation. And remember, if your foundation is not strong, you will have so many challenges when it comes to trading, learning trading, okay? So in the academy, we have platform tutorials, beginners videos, advanced, experts, cryptocurrencies videos. These are videos which are from a very basic level. Each video is 4 to 5 minutes long only. And these are about 200 videos. You don't need to watch 100 or 50 videos in a day. Just go through it slowly. Watch 3, 4, 5 videos a day, slowly, because we're going to gradually grow. We're going to gradually learn. Okay. That's our goal is. So first, you will watch the beginner videos, which will tell you what the trading is, who trades in this market, the history of trading. So anyone who never traded before, they can start to understand from a very, in the layman term, from a very basic level. Then there are advanced videos about trading. Then there are experts videos. We have cryptocurrencies videos as well. Some of you who want to learn about what the cryptocurrencies are about, those videos guide will help you. Now, here's the next thing. Just by watching these videos, you cannot be expert trader, okay? You need a coach, you need a guide, a mentor on a daily basis who can help you to answer your question, who can go through the live market with you as well, who can literally hold your hands to take your skill set to the next level. For that purposes, ladies and gents, we have the live sessions. This is very critical, very important for you to really learn the advanced stuff in trading. So with the live sessions, we have different educators in this company who are coming, who are the experts in different areas. Some are experts in commodities, some are experts in Forex, some are experts in cryptos. So they are coming online Monday to Saturday, online, different times of the day. And you can plug into their live sessions and you can start to go through the live markets with them. But I will recommend you, if you like, for example, the academy you saw, once you finish the beginner videos, as you are starting the advanced, once you start the advanced, with the advanced, start to watch the live sessions. Do not pick all the educators. You will be always confused because everyone is trading in different areas. Everyone has different expertise. Some are scalpers, hedgers. All these terms I'm going to go through a little bit in a minute. So pick 1 or 2 educators, whatever you feel the trading style you want to be, whatever trading you feel you are more comfortable to connect with this educator, pick that educator and start to learn from them. Okay. So now while you are learning from them, sometimes you are busy, you miss any session, there's nothing to worry. Through the session replay, you can always watch their recording as well. Okay, that's what you can do. That's very interesting part. If you miss any session today of your favorite educator, later on you can always watch the recording. Next thing, if they are teaching you something live in the market and if you are not understanding, you have any questions, you are confused, there's nothing to worry. These sessions are interactive sessions. So while they are teaching you live, you can ask them the questions as well and they will reply you back. Okay, so this is really such a, like a sort of one-to-one mentoring, you can say. On that live session, there are quite a few thousand people on attending the session, but they do their best always. They reply the messages, whoever is asking them the question, and they reply back. All right. So next thing is we have knowledge, where we are going to apply this knowledge. Whatever we are learning from basics, those videos or the live sessions, where we are going to really put it into practice. That's the key part now, because knowledge is nothing unless you don't apply it. Applied knowledge becomes power. Now, to practice those, what they are teaching you, we have multiple scanners here, which are based on artificial intelligence, okay? So we have 7 scanners here. One of my favorite is Smart Cash. These scanners, of course, you can make your analysis about Forex, about cryptos, about indices, about commodities, metals as well, every single thing. And most of all the indicators are over here already built in. All you need to do when the trade alert is coming, when the alert is showing there's a potential trade idea there, you can look into these charts, you can look into those 2 or 3 confirmations which you need in order to decide whether this is a good idea for me to take this trade or leave it at the moment. And all this is for your practice purposes, okay? You can open up a demo account and you can start to practice, because this is the key part. By doing your own practice, you will become independent. Otherwise, you will be always sitting dependent on someone else to send you a trade, or you're hoping always how I'm gonna take my trading to the next level. So you need to practice, and through these scanners, you can look into the charts and they can help you. This is one of my favorite scanner, Smart Cash as well as Blitz. These 2 scanners, amazing. Okay, so there are all scanners are great, but maybe this is, I prefer that. I like them most. Maybe I attended more session with those educators. Smart Cash is taught by Joel Arias and Blitz is taught by Brent Badal. Okay, again, this scanner is also based on artificial intelligence. Whatever the strategies of those educators, they build that strategy into the scanner with including with the artificial intelligence, and that can also help you to make your decision quick when it comes to making your analysis and making analysis in the market. Okay, so again, we have different time frames. You can choose currencies here, you can choose crypto, you can choose commodities here, like for example gold is here as well. You can see where it is going right now on the 5-minute chart, 15 minutes. Again, you need to put it into practice and you will start to understand. But if you're brand new today and you're looking at this chart, it looks scary. Oh my God, what is that? Don't worry about that. Start your journey from the basic videos first, okay? Then we have in the platform, the next thing I want to show you are the resources. What are the resources? Of course, we have some presentations here, but here are some PDF or videos available where you can learn how to use these scanners. These educators are teaching these scanners in their live sessions, as well as they have recorded videos available here. For example, you can see how to use Blitz scanner, how to use Smart Cash scanner. There's a video here. You can watch these videos as many times you like. Every time you are confused, you are not sure about something, come back to these videos in the resources tab and you can start to watch these videos, okay? The next one, we have tools, which is another very important part. We have calendars here in the tools. We have crypto calendar, economic calendar. All these calendars will help you to predict the market long term, okay? To understand the market, what possibly can happen. So there are all the future events which are happening in the market. They're already here and you can see them in advance always, okay? Next thing, we have calculators here. While you are taking those trades on your practice account, you need to understand the managing risk, taking the right lot sizes. This is so important for you. Okay, for that purposes, we can use these different calculators, lot size calculator, profit calculator, PIP calculator, all those sort, pivot point calculator, drawdown calculator. These all will help you to understand, to manage your risk properly. Remember, managing risk in trading is very, very important. If you're not managing risk, if you are just going for a very high risk, potentially there can be very high losses as well, okay? But again, if you're newbie, you're doing all that stuff on the demo account, so there's nothing to worry. You can try, of course, you're gonna make mistakes, but again, it will be on the demo account, so there's nothing to lose. Financial news. They have the key part, major part when it comes to trading in this market. There are news coming. News has a major effect. For example, somewhere elections are happening, natural disasters are coming, some key person is speaking in the world. Let's say Donald Trump is going to speak something. So with that, those news, always markets start to move very fast. Market becomes very volatile. So we have to always take into account when those news are coming. There's another website called forexfactory.com. I always check that website just in case. Forexfactory.com. This gives you prediction in advance. It tells you on that particular days what type of news are coming. There are 3 major type of news you will see. The yellow box, wherever you will find, that's a low impact news, which is completely fine. We can take the trade. Then we have the orange color box, which is a medium impact, okay? Medium impact, you have to be careful still. But when you find the red folder, that's a high impact news on forexfactory.com. At that time, please avoid in that particular currency, please advise wherever it is attached. Let's say it is XAU USD. So let's say US dollar news is coming. Be careful when taking gold trade. Euro USD, again, be careful with the Euro USD trade because US dollar news is coming, let's say, for example. So news at forexfactory.com, look at the news, please, and be careful. I usually don't take trades during news at all because market will be volatile and I don't want to do that. I want to be safe instead of just taking any kind of risk. Okay. So let's say news is coming today, US dollar, for example, I will not take at least 1 hour before. I will not take that trade at the news time, and at least 1 hour after, 45 minutes to 1 hour after, or even if I don't feel like, I don't, at least 1 hour after, I will look into the charts again, because news has its impact, and news always, red folder has a major impact in the market. So be careful towards that. Okay. Then we have currency strength meter. This is another wonderful tool which helps us to decide, okay, this currency in the next few minutes or few hours, whether the strength is strong or weaker. On that basis, it will also help you. It's not just about reading the charts, looking at the news, but this tool also can help you to decide whether to go in that particular trade or not. For example, if you look at euro, in 5 minutes chart right now is showing neutral. In the 15 minutes is showing in minus, is a little bit weaker, but overall in 1 hour is showing 0.06, a little bit stronger. It's not that strong as well, because right now market is very slow. Christmas is coming. Market is really very, very slow. Then we have, after that, trend analysis. This tool also helps you to decide when in term of making a decision, looking at the charts. For example, you can see Euro USD 5 minutes chart. It is showing strong downtrend, minute 15, and hourly one is neutral. So we have the trend analysis here about Forex, for cryptos. Then we have towards stocks as well as commodities and indices. Okay. Then we have glossary. This is a very important term because I have seen many times when new people come on board to learn trading, and many times they heard the certain terms, professional terms from professional traders. I am a scalper, I'm a hedger, or certain terminologies in trading, and they are confused. Oh my God, what is that? So over here in the glossary A to Z, possibly all the terms which are spoken in this a particular field, they are here with the definition of that. So you can always come back here and you can utilize it. You can read it. Ladies and gents, the education is one of the key part. If you're really here to learn trading, my recommendation to you is go through the education. This will help you. This will give you confidence before you look into making money or taking trades or going into the market. Go through the basics. Then move to the live session. Start to practice those on a demo account, as well as use all these tools and resources in order to make sure that you're taking your own trade. Those educators, they are also sharing some sort of ideas as well, what they are thinking at that time. And these alerts are trade ideas are only particularly educational purposes. Okay. So they are giving you, for example, the stop loss and multiple TPs. You can see they are sharing on based on their ideas, experience. And again, this is not an investment advice. Okay. This is for the educational purposes only. You can utilize them on the demo account just to see how to take a trade, how to exit the market, how to put the stop loss, how to put the TP. So they are sharing all these trade ideas with you. You can look into that, into Forex, into crypto, commodities, everything. Then they have tap to trade again. With the tap to trade, they are sharing you the ideas where you have a particular time of window. Within that time frame, you have to execute that, whether to cancel or approve, and that will reflect onto your demo account trading platform. All right. That's what it is. Now I'm going to go through, ladies and gents, what you need to do in terms of your trading journey, what you need to expect, and what kind of risk management you need to do, what time to trade, what time not to trade, how to be disciplined in trading. So, as I said, it's been 7 years. I'm trading, I'm learning. I would say 7 years, ladies and gentlemen. I am still today a student. I'm still a beginner. That's what I would call myself, because I want to learn. In order to grow, you need to have this willingness to learn always. That's the key part in your journey. So if I look at Trading, you will hear this term from many times from different traders, from different educators, that trading is at least 90% psychology and it's only 10% skill. Okay, this is a key part you need to bear in your mind, keep in your mind that this is really, I believe, with my experience, what I felt so far in the past 3 years, with me especially, because I was always trying to get something quick fix and it never worked. When I tried to do that, only thing happened, I lost money. I'm sharing with you this because by doing so, it was very painful. I don't want you to go through that kind of situation. I was losing continuously. Even I would say after that time, in my opinion, it could be 99% psychology. That's the key part. If you can control yourself, control your emotions in trading, that will help you a lot. Okay. To help those emotions, what we need to do? We need to, ladies and gents, to be disciplined, we need to set a goal in trading. What is your goal? Let's say you have a demo account, and on the demo account, when you're taking your own trades, what kind of trades you are expecting, what kind of percentage, not the money, we're talking about the percentage here. On your demo account, we are looking to grow maybe 0.5% a day, okay? Maybe 1% a day. Sometimes market is good, it can go between 2 to 3% a day as well. And if you look at this kind of percentage, ladies and gents, and if you compound it over the 12 months, 24 months, for a long period of time, you will see some wonderful results. But the most important thing is what trading goal we are setting. Once you hit your daily goal, whatever goal you will set for yourself, once you hit your daily trading goal, come out from trading. No more trading, no more trades to take. Yes, you can make your analysis, you can read the charts, you can watch those videos again, you can attend the live session, but do not take any more trades at all. That's it. Once you hit your daily goal, come out from trading. This is so important for you. Okay, because otherwise markets are open 24 hours, because markets are open 24 hours 5 days a week for forex and 7 days a week for crypto market. Okay, otherwise you will be continuously trading, you will try to be overconfident sometime, and I have seen, due to psychology part, a lot of people this who become overconfident, they start to lose suddenly, and that's not really we are looking at to do something over here. We are looking to gain confidence, we are looking to gain knowledge here, we are looking to be disciplined here instead of we are trying to chase money. Okay, that's the key part. So on your demo account, start to grow your account like that. Okay, now I'm going to share with you what do I do on the particular trading days. You know, the most liquid days, in my opinion, which I have experienced so far, these are Wednesdays and Thursdays. The market is movement is very fast. Of course, it's not going to happen right now because due to Christmas. Okay, that's very important. So when market opens Sunday night, this is again my style. You don't need to do that. You can of course start to do what works for you, what is good for you. Okay, so what I do personally for myself, I don't take trades on Sunday night at all. Okay, because there are gaps in the market. Until the gaps are going to fill, I'm not going to trade. Again, trading is not a job. I'm not in a rush. Okay, I'm doing it as a plan B on a part-time basis. If you make your mind like that, then it's a wonderful situation. Okay, hedge funds, banks, they are trading in this market. Trading is not going to finish tomorrow. It is here as long as the money is here. So we need to build this kind of patience. Otherwise, I have seen due to this psychology, a lot of time people come in this industry, they see someone shared with them, they saw some videos on YouTube or social media, someone is making money, posting screenshots. Never ever do so. I never post any kind of screenshot with the money or something making claim. I don't believe in those things. Okay, I believe in the power of education. You need to educate yourself. That's the key part. Do not look at someone's story and start to expect, okay, I need to make that kind of money. No, you need to focus. You are starting your journey from scratch and you are completely teachable and coachable person, and you're ready to learn, take your skill set to the next level. So I don't trade on Sunday night. Monday morning, I usually don't trade. I start to take trades on Monday, if I do, from the New York session. That's what I do, from New York session. And then my last day of trading is Thursday. Friday, I usually don't take trades. If I take trades on Friday, the maximum trade I take is 11 a.m. GMT, 11 a.m. UK time. That's my last trade. Is sometime I take. Otherwise, usually I don't trade on Friday. So I take Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. These 4 days I trade mostly. Okay. What are the busiest session when market is moving fast? I prefer for myself London session. I live in London. I prefer the London session and I prefer the New York session. After that, of course, late night, we have Australian session. Even late night when we are sleeping in the UK, is the Tokyo session is happening with the JPY. But I usually prefer the busiest session, which are London and New York session, where the market is very liquid. The market is moving fast, so we can catch some pips, okay? When it comes to news, I don't take any trades at the time of news. I completely avoid news trading, okay? Because that's very risky. I don't know where the market will go. Nobody knows actually. It's going to go upward or downward in that particular currency. So it's better I don't take any kind of risk, okay? You know, so this is much better instead of feeling sorry for yourself. Oh my God, I wish I had not done that, which I have seen so many times. People said it after making this kind of silly mistakes, okay? Then if you are with any prop firm, with a prop firm, what I would say, please, before you take any kind of trading challenge account or with any prop firm, make sure you go to the frequently asked question, you read all their terms and condition. Okay, do not tell anybody, oh, this person did not tell me before, or that person. You need to depend on yourself. Stop dependency on people. Simply go to their website, whatever prop firm you're using, if you're using, okay. Go to their website, read all the rules, all the objectives, what they are telling you to achieve, and what is allowed and what is not allowed. So please go through that yourself, so there will be no blame on anyone, and you will not be ignorant. Oh my God, I wish I knew this before. So best is go to the website, read all the trading rules before you start your challenge account, okay? Personally, these days, I'm not taking trades. I didn't take any trade even last week. I completely stopped. I will be back in trading probably 6th or most likely 7th of January 2025. I will start to take trades again. Okay, that's what my plan is. Okay, because right now market is very slow and I don't know where it's gonna go. Very slow movement. I would prefer when the market is moving fast, when it's most liquid, to participate in the market at that time. Okay, otherwise I will be sitting and waiting for an hours and hours. Okay, so this kind of goal we're gonna set, which can help you really to be disciplined. And once you hit your goal, what we are going to do, we are going to stop trading after that. Yes, after that, you can still make analysis on the charts. You can watch the videos. You can learn from the live sessions or focus on your job, your family, your health life or something, but do not consume 24 hours on trading. You don't need to do so, okay? That I don't really prefer that. Now, I'm going to go through towards one of the prop firm as well, TradeX Mastery, the challenge accounts. Let's say we consider it as a challenge or as a demo account, okay? Now, first 3 type of accounts which I have. Number 1 account I have is a demo account, okay? On the demo account, what do? I can, of course, take some of those trade ideas to see how to place a trade. So I can learn on the demo account how to place a trade, how to put the stop loss, how to modify stop loss, how to put different TPs, how to maybe do partial close, because sometimes your trade is open. And let's say if you see the blue numbers, if you see, okay, I'm in catching some pips, it shows some sort of profits is coming on the demo account. You can close it half as well, and you can leave half running. That will be completely your choice, and you can always move stop loss to make it secure. Okay, so on the demo account, my main purpose is for a few days, of course, to understand how to place the trade. But the most importantly on demo account, I'm going to learn. In other words, what I'm learning, let's say from Smart Cash, if you are using or Blitz or any other scanner, or directly on TradingView, whatever they are teaching you in the live sessions, I'm going to practice on this demo account. Ladies and gents, if you will not practice on the demo account, you will not gain the confidence. Demo account, there's nothing to lose. It's a practice account. So whatever you are learning, keep practicing on this account, and that will help you to gain confidence. Okay. Otherwise, if you are just waiting for because I don't recommend usually people to give your money someone else to trade. You need to, I mean, I can't advise you anything. But in my opinion, demo account will start to give you confidence, and maybe in the future, you can learn by yourself how to trade. So Focus on demo account, learn those scanners. There are so many smart cash builds I mostly use. Learn those scanners, practice those scanners trade onto your demo account. This will give you a lot of confidence. Number one. Number two, I use, let's say, I'm going to go through one of the challenge account with you now. Okay. Let's say if I have a challenge account, demo account, we can call it, or we can call it a challenge account. When you say challenge state is like a demo, of course. Let's say if we have a in dollars 10K account, okay, $10,000 account. Remember, managing risk is key in trading. Managing risk is key. Let's say if we have a $10,000 account, just giving you example, okay, it's a demo account, okay. On $10,000 account, they are giving you 2 stages to pass. Stage 1, they are telling you phase 1, you need to make, let's say, most prop firms are saying, let's say 10%. If you're going to make 10%, it is somewhere we are talking about making $1,000 just to show them that you are able to trade, okay? But do not come straight to the challenge account. My recommendation to you, if you are brand new today, focus on watching videos, live sessions, practicing on the demo account first. Do not start your challenge account. Otherwise, you can potentially blow it as well at the same time. You can lose it, okay? Phase 2, if we talk about the phase 2, they give you usually, okay, you need to make 10%, grow your 5%, sorry, grow your account, which will be $500, okay? Let's say if I would like to pass this account, and of course, they have their conditions. News trading is not allowed and so many other things, weekend trading. So please read all those, every broker, every prop firm has a different terms and conditions. Please go through them, okay? Now they're giving you daily drawdown as well. That's the max you can go, not more than that, okay? Daily drawdown, they're giving you 5%, which is again equal to $500. You can't go more than that. If your account open trades are more than 500, or if you make a loss in a day daily more than 5%, $500, you lost the account. It's very simple. And overall drawdown, they allow you 10% as well. That's at this point, which is again equal to $1,000 in total. If you make losses more than 1,000, you lost account. It's that simple. Now, if I'm looking to let's say clear this one, what will be my strategy? Okay, what will be my idea, which I want to share with you? Again, you don't need to follow that. You can follow your own trading plan, but I just want to share with you because on the challenge stage, what we can do, okay? So let's say we have this and we are looking to clear it. Now remember, trading is what? 90% psychology. If I will never tell myself that I have a 10K challenge account. I will tell myself, what is my daily drawdown? What's the max I can go in minus, which is only 5%, which is $500. I will tell myself I don't have 10K account due to psychology. I have only $500 account. So if I will tell myself $500 account, now I'm not going to take big risks. I will keep on the minimum. And that can help you to not, because you don't need to pass this account in one day. If you do so, so what? Why don't we go through it properly, slowly, the way it should be? Again, I said, trading is a game of patience. Do not try to rush, because sometimes I have seen a lot of people try to rush. They are in, I don't know why they are in rush, and they blow their accounts, okay? So I'm gonna somewhere put it here. Oh, this board, there is not much space. So phase 1, what I will do, in my opinion, first of all, the lot sizes, okay? If I look at the lot size, I would say, which I heard, which I learned, each $100 equal to 0.01. So that should be my lot size max. If it's $100, what is 0.01 in terms of monetary value? Is 0.01 is equal to, in dollars, 10 cents per pip. What is pip? Price in percentage. Every time the price is moving in this industry, we call it pip. Okay. If you are up in your trade, if you are in a buy position, if it's going there, if 1 pip is up, it means you are in 10 cents in profits. Okay. If it's other way, if it's on the down, going down, you're 10 cents in loss as well. So each $100, 0.01. Now phase 1, I need to make how much? My goal is to make 10%, which is 1,000. So if I am thinking my maximum account is $500 instead of 10K, what I'm going to do, I need to make $1,000. I am not in rush. So 1,000 divided by 30 trading days. Ladies and gents, it will be your choice, but this is how I will do it. That's what I'm sharing with you. So I will focus somewhere making $35 per day maximum. Once I hit it, I'm out from the trading. What will be my lot size now? If I'm considering my account is only 500 instead of 10K, so what, because that's a max I can do in a drawdown. So according to this, my lot size maximum will be 0.05 on this 10K account. That will be my lot size, 0.05, okay? Now, if I'm taking two positions, let's say, buy position, I am in a TP1, TP2, I'm taking two positions in one go of a trade. I cannot put 0.05 two times. In this way, I will be over leveraging. I want to keep my risk minimal risk. Okay. So I will, if I'm taking two positions now, let me give you example. If I'm taking TP1 and I'm taking TP2, so instead of putting 0.05 on each, what I will do, maybe I will take 0.03 on TP1 and 0.02 on TP2. There you go. Total 0.05. Usually, once my TP1 is hit, when it hits sometime, if it hits, I will straight away move my stop loss above entry if I'm in a buy position, or if I'm in a sell position below entry, to make sure my TP2 position is secured. I do another thing as well. If I hit my daily goal, let's say with with TP1 only, if second position, yes, I can close it manually as well, or at least move stop loss to secure your position. So if market reverse, which it can, remember TPs are never guaranteed. Stop loss is guaranteed. That's how it works. Stop loss can hit because we don't know, we can't bring that perfection. So it's all about the experience and learning and understanding. But if we can make it risk-free after TP1 by moving the stop loss, why not? Okay, that's what I do. So this is what I will do. 10K account, just $35 a day, and I will be clearing in 30 trading days. By doing so, you know what's going to happen? Instead of running to try to clear in 1 day, 2 days, or 1 week, I will be taking higher risk. And in those risks, you can understand what can happen. You can lose the account as well. But by doing so, you will gain a huge confidence. Can you definitely guarantee the account, pass the account, challenge account in 30 trading days? No. You can still lose as well, depending on the market conditions. Can you, maybe it will take for you 40 trading days even. 50 trading days as well. We are not rushing. We are doing this business as a plan B, learning trading as a plan B, doing this account on the part-time basis. That simple it is. Okay. Now, when it comes to phase two, what we are going to do, our lot size will be same. Phase two, if I look at here, my goal for the phase two, what will be my goal for the phase two? Phase two, my goal will be how much to make every day. Phase two, I need to make only 5%, which is $500. So 500 divided by 20 trading days, I will make about $25 a day. That's it. Once I made it, I'm out from trading for the day. That's it. Ladies and gents, if you really do it like this, you will see you will be very, very confident. Trading, we can't make huge amount of money in a day, okay? Because these are prop firm, we have limitation, how much daily drawdown you can go through, okay? So if you follow this system, which I strongly believe, which I tried it, you will be very confident and you will start to see the gradual growth in your account. Instead of taking big risk, one day you are up, next day you're losing all, you will be very disappointed. You will be frustrated. And then psychology part, blame game will start, or you will think, oh my God, trading maybe doesn't work, or what I'm doing. You just need to stick to the rules. If you stick to the rules, draw your trading plan, sit with your mentor, whoever it is, live session, they can give you trading plan as well. Follow the plan. This is what I tried, I learned, and this is working for me. So if you follow the plan, definitely you will see some sort of confidence you are gaining. Okay. This is what I will do. If your account is bigger, 50K, 200K, of course, then your phases will be same 10%, 5%. The amount will increase. Daily drawdown and overall drawdown will be same percentages. Amounts will change. And of course, your lot size will change as well. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what you need to take into account. I hope you took the notes in order to understand something. So which one is the most important account for you? Most important account is the demo account, which you are going to practice. If you are brand new, you are looking to get a challenge account, please do not start the challenge account straight away unless you don't feel confident on the demo account, and especially on taking going through the videos and live session. These are the key part, okay? Then, of course, in the future, if you like, you can open a live account as well. That will be completely your choice. I have one live account. I don't recommend any broker. You can check with someone. You can do your due diligence. Any broker which is properly regulated, you can look into that account. Sometimes people ask me the question, how much money shall I put in the live account? Only put the amount which you can afford to lose. That's simple, okay? That's that. And trading, our goal is, you don't need to put a huge amount of money. Because remember, if you cannot handle a small amount, you cannot handle big amount as well. Our goal is not to make a lot of money in a day, but the goal which we set earlier, small percentage, 0.5%, 1/4% a day, 1% a day, something like that. That's a huge percentage. If you imagine, just for example purposes, if you grow 1% a day, 20 trading days, it becomes 20% a month. That's a huge growth. But can you do it? It's not going to happen every day. Live account, if you start even with a small amount, I started one of my live account in pounds or dollars, you can say 300, yeah, and just start to grow it, maybe 0.5% a day, 1%, 1.5. Sometimes I'm in two positions. Let's say TP1 hit my goal. I moved the stop loss, made it secure. It went to TP2 or 3, and with that, this started to grow. So ladies and gents, this is what you need to do. And on this account, what I'm doing, what most people ultimate goal is to compound this account, compound it for the next 12 months. You can use the compound calculators and you can see what possibility can become for you. Again, that's a hypothetical example. If you put certain percentage on compound calculator, 1, 2, or 3% a day, can you definitely grow that in the next 12 months? No, it's not going to happen. Some days you will not trade even. Some days market will be slow. Some days you will make losses as well. Take it into account. Trading, you cannot always make profits or cash the pips. You can make losses as well. As I said earlier, losses are guaranteed. TPs are not guaranteed. So there will be losses, but still, if you stick to the rules, do the proper risk management, understand trading is something a long term. It is not something, okay, I need some quick money, I need to leave my job and I start to focus full time on that. Ladies and gents, please do not do that. This you can start to learn, as my focus is always on the learning. I love what my mentor said once, Bob Proctor. He said, knowledge is not expensive. Education is not expensive, ignorance is. Make yourself aware, between $5 to $7 trillion a day industry happening every single day, Monday to Friday. Why can't we learn the skill which many professional institutions have already? So many people are trading on a daily basis. But again, if they are doing it, if someone is very successful, do not try to compare yourself with someone. Do not, yes, you can be inspired by their success or story, but understand they started their journey a while back. So you cannot expect same sort of results over here straight away. It's going to be a journey for you as well. But if you are really going to commit for the next couple of months, couple of years towards learning, definitely trading can be something wonderful for you to have a skill set. So focus on that. This is pretty much, ladies and gents, I wanted to share with you. I hope you found this video useful for you. If there'll be any question, please come to our sessions, trade houses, which will start again from the new year. So trading, patience, that's the key part. Be disciplined, focus on the psychology part is a major part here. Skill part is small. Focus and just do not overtrade. Stick to the goal. Once you hit your daily goal, come out from that. It is that simple. I wish you all a wonderful festive season. Hope you all are having a wonderful time with your family, friends, and loved ones. And definitely looking forward to catch up again on the next Zoom calls with you. I'll be doing another Zoom call on 28th on Saturday, 8 p.m. GMT, which will be 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Jump onto that call and I will go through a lot of stuff with you towards 2025. So really excited to have you on board. All of you start your journey in the right way with the power of education. Educate yourself. What is happening in this world? What is happening in this industry? And if all those experts, trainers are sitting there in this platform to teach you on a daily basis, Monday to Saturday, make the most out of that. Thank you very much, ladies and gents, for coming on the call and have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Thank you.